Hello and welcome back. So for this week's video, I went out and I bought things from the Dose of Colors Desi x Katie collection. So Desi and Katie are two of my most favorite YouTubers. And so like when I realized that their palette was out, I bought it. I didn't buy the first one just because the colors I didn't feel like I would use. The only thing I bought from their first collection was the Fuego highlighter, which they brought back. And I also bought the Aftermath lipstick and the Over the Top gloss. This is what the packaging looks like. It's super pretty. It says Francation on it. And so when you open it, I've not used it yet or swatched it because I've just been waiting to film this video. Of course, looks just like the highlighter packaging. And then on the back, you get all your shade names. And so when you open it, oh my gosh, I thought this was broken. Is it? Hope not. Is this what it looks like? I think that's just what it looks like. Whew. Stressed. And this is what the palette looks like. It's so pretty. I don't know, this palette is just so versatile. It's so pretty. There are 5 mattes and 5 shimmers. So I don't know, I feel like this is just a really good travel palette. You have colors to like do basic everyday looks or like more natural smoky, but then you have like those like intense like blues, and then this one gold green shade to just kind of spice it up, you know? And I'm just so happy that they made another collection of Dose of Colors. So this is what we're going to be using today. So if you want to see what look I come up with, then just keep on watching. First things first, I'm going to start with my eyebrows because I always do that. I'm going to go ahead and do that off camera. So my eye is already primed with concealer. I'm going to go ahead and take a translucent powder and just set my brow bone and my crease. Alright, so first things first, I'm going to go ahead and take Churro and I'm going to put that on my crease. I'm taking a Morphe Art39 brush to do this. I'm going to take this shade, I'm going to blend it upwards as well into the brow bone. And then to blend it out more, I'm just going to take some of Basic, which is basically John, and I'm going to go ahead and use that to buff out that shade a little bit more. Alright, so after I have that shade buffed out, I'm going to go ahead and take some more Churro and just gonna go ahead and intensify that shade and get it to the pigmentation that I want it to. Then I'm going to take some Necessary and we're going to use that one to blend it out now. Keep blending the edges with a clean blending brush because you just want those to be very soft and diffused. So next, I'm going to go ahead and take some of Chin's, which is the dark brown and deep palette. I'm going to also apply that right to the crease just to deepen and darken it up even more. Just going to start connecting it to the outer corner as well. And now we're just going to go ahead and start blending because that is scary. Or scary looking, I'm going to go ahead and apply it with the Morphe Art39 again. And so now I'm just going to go ahead and just blend that out because that is looking really patchy. And so now I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease. And I'm going to follow the line from the inner corner all the way to half of the outer corner. Basically kind of like what I was mapping out with the eyeshadow. Just leaving that like middle lid space blank. I just kind of created the guide, or like a guide with the eyeshadow. This look is not coming out like how I want it to. I'm just going to take some of Basic, which is basically John, and I'm going to use that to set that concealer. I'm going to take a little bit more of Chin's, I think. Just go ahead and blend it into the concealer. Like so. Basically now all you have to do is just blend back and forth from eyeshadow to concealer to get it as blended as you would like. Look what happens when I zoom it out. Whoa, it's so pretty and blended. And I zoom it out just so I can see what parts need blending. I can also see like how it just looks. Because people aren't gonna look at me like this. They're gonna look at me like this. But it's really pretty. I really like these eyeshadows. This could be a go-to look. So now what I'm going to do is I could take one of the like really pretty bold like blue colors and put that on my lid, but I really want to do this one. But if I do like just a kiss, I feel like that's gonna look like every other look that I do, which I mean, I don't mind. All my like looks are pretty similar. I might pop like a colorful look once in a while, but other than that, they're all pretty similar. So I don't know. So I'm gonna go ahead and do just a kiss. And if you want to see like these different type of shades on me, then I can go ahead and film a video. And Katie and Desi's Get Ready With Me. Katie did this really pretty eye look, so I could just like recreate that as well. So I don't know. This I didn't recreate. This I came up with on the spot. The technique that I used were, because normally as you guys see, I blend it in my crease in my outer corner. But like the whole winging it out, I got that from I Love Sarai. I know Desi does it a lot. I think Katie does. But I tried it out and I kind of like how it looks. So fun. So I'm gonna go ahead and take just a kiss. Ooh. This shade is basically just like glitter, so it's not really like, I guess if I use my finger, I guess you can get more of the shade on there, but like I said, it's not really like a shade. It's literally just glitter. Ooh, I love it. All right, I don't know if I want to do wing liner. I feel like I should, but I really don't want to. So I'm gonna go ahead and I don't know what to do. Do I want to do wing liner? Do I want to? Alright, so I went ahead and like wipe off the excess so I have like that nice sharp line. I think I'll just go ahead and put eyeliner on my lid just so I have somewhere to like set my lashes, but I think I'm just gonna go ahead and leave it like this. I think my favorite thing is getting tornado warnings when I'm doing my makeup, because I think that's just great. I love putting on my eyelashes and then just knowing that I have to take shelter now.
Why does this happen to me?
And for foundation, I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Foundation. This is in the shade Warm Neutral. I've never used it with like a non-hydrating primer. This one's pretty sticky, so we're gonna see how it blends out. Hopefully it blends out good. I haven't tried it, so this will be the first time. Normally I use the Too Faced Hangover because it's very like hydrating. So we're just gonna see what happens. Also, I'm so sorry about the lighting. Because of the tornado warning thing, it kinda got not bright, which is great. I love filming tutorials in the dark. It couldn't have come tomorrow when I was editing. It had to come today when I'm filming. So hopefully it gets brighter. I don't. Okay, so it got a little bit bright again, which is nice. My contour and blush do not look cute. I tried a different way again and still nothing. So I'm gonna go ahead and just try to blend it all out because it's not cute right now. It's not cute. Hopefully this video turns out okay, or as far as like the tutorial part, because I really don't want to redo this. Hello, it's Future Denouty, if you couldn't tell. I mean, obviously you could tell. But, so I didn't realize that through like half the video, I wasn't even recording. And then when I got to like the parts using the lipstick, the lip gloss, and the highlighter, I wasn't recording. And because I wasn't wearing glasses or contacts or anything, like I just didn't know. And like I just procrastinated editing this video until now. And now that I'm editing it, like I realized, like I'm exporting all the clips right now, and I realized that like I'm missing a big chunk of what I filmed. And let me show you what I'm talking about. So the last clip before I put my lipstick on is this one, and so it's like 19 seconds, right? And like I didn't realize that after this, at this moment, when I skip through, I already have the lipstick and the lip gloss on. And like it's only like 3 seconds. And then I continue, and it's just me posing and like my B-rolls and stuff. I even have like this freaking thing of me explaining my phone case. So basically, I'm kind of upset. Now I'm contemplating whether or not to upload this video. But I mean, you're seeing this, so basically I uploaded the video. Just know that the lipstick was very pigmented, very creamy, and then the lip gloss was nice as well. And you guys already know how I feel about the highlighter. Recently, it's been getting a lot better. I don't know what it is. I just know that it is. But yeah, the lip products get an A for me. I really want to go get the My Main Lip Good lipstick, I think, but it was sold out, so I didn't get it. But the fact that all of that was gone is gone forever. Like the fact that I wasn't even recording. But yeah, that's basically it. I don't know what part I'm gonna put this in, so let's roll the B-roll. I'm sweating. Look, it works as a fan. Breaks that one shade that looks broken. Oof. So this like spider just came out of nowhere and like it's not paying rent. Roll that. So these are my children, which you guys don't see in my videos anymore. I'm sorry. It's like my setup. You don't see like the top part of my bed anymore. My friend got me this case and it's so cute. Basically just BTS's face all over it. Shout out to you, buddy. Thank you. I love it.